Now, so the lat pull downs in any gym, this gym or any of the gyms where you have to do your next stage of your workout, you're going to have this contraption. This is here to wedge you in, so I can arch my lower back and almost hang.
Okay,
Now, from this position, because of your back, how your back is, I'm going to go for a palm up version. And we've got some great machines here. What we've got here are plate loaded.
Okay,
Same principle as the other gym. So you've got a bar, and I've got my seat. Once I've set my seat, to have no weight is ideal when you start off, because then you can establish your hand pattern, palms up, right? And then I wedge in, and I try and drive my chest up, and 1, 2, 2. And actually, let's go for palm down. So from here, go palm down, up and down. Now sometimes, for someone like yourself, because the back is has a bit of trauma on it, this is as much to establish whether or not you can even do this movement. So wait, I'll just stick a couple of plates on it. Now today's going to be, you're going to start with the lat pull down. So if you want to stand yourself up, just bring your hands, arms up and down, right? So with your lats, they kind of run down this line of your armpit, right? And then you've obviously got your spine tucked in the middle. The lats break into, the back breaks into 3 main areas. You've got your lats, so if you stretch up and down, they're your lats. If you hold your arms straight and go up and down, no, don't bend your arms, just bring your shoulders to there. They're your shrugs. These are your upper back. So go up and down. Up and down, and then put your hands on your lower back here. Open your feet out. Bend your knees slightly and just try and push your bum back and come up. That's 1. Go. There you go. Don't go too low. Yeah, chest up more.
Face out?
Yeah. Keep going. Chest up. So here, so try and push that chest up more. So now shake your arms out, just stand nice and straight. Now where in your back is there? Exactly right. So your lats, these columns here, run down.
Okay.
All right? And they go down to your hips. Now my hope is that as we get this upper back stronger and more dominant, it should start to sort out your shoulders and your chest and actually change the look. So it's like structuring. Now let me give a little demo here for the lat pull down. But it's ideal for your back workout. So if you want to dump your stuff down, and if you can, just kind of rotate and face me.
Like that?
Get those gloves on.
I'm going to get the gloves on.
Yeah. So in terms of the two key areas, that I kind of want to focus in on are your shoulders and your back. Now we got quite a lot of that kind of back pain and shoulder pain.
That's not too bad, funnily enough.
That's the hope. I hope that both will die. Yeah, go on.
That's aching.
Oh, is it?
I wouldn't say it's pain, it's ache.
Is there any movements that we've got that is making that ache more?
Well, funnily enough, the rowing machine one.
The seated row?
Seated.
Yeah,
no,
perfect.
I like seated row, the one on that, which I hate anyway.
Oh, the rower.
The rower, not
Yeah,
the seated row.
I should really cut the rower out of that program. Yeah, that's my bad. Yeah, that row will be gone.
I'm going there, yeah?
Yep, in you go. There you go, heels up.
Always up, isn't it?
Yeah, lean slightly back. And just pull to chin level. Go. 1, 2. Chin up, 3. Chin up more. 6. Not too deep. There. Chin up. So you see that trauma, it's not kind of letting this bit's very flexible.
It shouldn't be.
It should be.
Oh,
it should be, yeah. Chin up.
Fucking hell, it wants to drop.
Chin.
That's because of posture, isn't it?
Just concentrate on the movement. You're just trying to get that mind to muscle connection. 3, 2, hold. Super slow. Let it go up, all the way to the top, top, and stand yourself up. So Anything that aches today, just say, anything that aches today, if you could let me know immediately, and I'm talking about your back and your shoulder, because there's always another way to do something. So if I'm doing an exercise, and also I need to, if I've got a sprain in my back, I need to establish whether it's making it worse or whether my back just always hurts when I'm like that.
That's the question. So I'm aching like that
all the time.
Yeah. I think it's a good ache.
Let's see.
I like that question.